This is how Coca Cola is made in the factory. It is the world's most recognized beverage, a liquid icon, and a masterclass in global industrial logistics. Every single day, billions of people crack open a cold can, enjoy the crisp carbonation, and savor a flavor profile that has remained unchanged for over a century. The brand is a symbol of consistency, refreshing taste, and massive scale. But here's the thing. Behind the red label lies a world of violent physics, high-pressure chemical reactions, and mechanical speed that would shred a human hand in milliseconds. It is a chaotic dance of high-torque shearing, extreme thermal shifts, and sub-millimeter precision. I am standing inside the world's largest independent bottling plant, and I've been embedded here for 6 days. This facility screams through 2 million units every 24 hours, and in this video, I'm taking you through 12 primary industrial production steps, from raw water filtration to the final palletized case. By the end of this, you'll never look at a simple soda can the same way again. I know you're ready, so let's go. Step 1. Hyper-Filtration. It begins with water. But not just any water. The machines demand absolute purity. This pump never sleeps. It ignores every single impurity. Then, light becomes a weapon, and every drop is polished. Now the foundation is ready. Step 2. The secret concentrate infusion. Accessing the secret heart. The concentrate is thick, heavy blades fight the resistance. Water meets the dark essence. This machine demands a total blend. Wait for the perfect fusion. No margin for error here. The mother liquor is alive. Step 3. Precision Preform injection. Raw plastic starts as gravel. Then the fire wakes up. Screws grind the molten mass. The jaws snap shut. Force it into the shape. Cold water steals the heat. The machines reject the heat. These are baby bottles. Wait for the perfect thread. Step 4. The blow mold explosion. The baby bottles must soften. Steel hands grip the heat. Steel walls trap the plastic. The rod stabs the center. Then the air creates life. High-pressure air forces the expansion. 5 feet support the pressure. Wait for the violent exhale. The transformation is now complete. Step 5. Cryogenic cooling and stabilization. Heat is the enemy of precision. Thermal shock locks the shape. The machine grips the heat. Violent cooling secures the foundation. Aluminum rails guide the freeze. Wait for the internal set. Light confirms the molecular bond. Now the plastic is iron. Step 6. High-velocity rinse and sterilization. Gravity is the first cleaner. High-pressure needles blast the core. Water becomes a scouring pad. Chemistry kills what water misses. Air knives peel the moisture. Wait for the final purge, but every second counts here. Light proves the sterile truth. Step 7. The carbonation collision. Carbonation is a controlled explosion. Gas shatters the liquid's piece, force the bubbles into submission. The tank holds the weight. Chilled metal locks the fizz. Wait for the violent bond. Speed prevents the foam disaster. Tension is the crisp taste. Now the liquid is lethal. Step 8. Ultrasonic filling. Precision at 1,000 RPM. Steel jaws seal the bottle. First, we kill the air. The dark surge begins now. Sound waves measure the depth. Release the pressure. Keep the fizz. Wait for the perfect level. A clean break every time. 1,200 units every minute. Step 9. The seaming or capping slam. The cap is the cage. Snatch the crown at speed. Magnetic teeth bite the plastic. Torque binds the internal pressure. Snap the lock into place. Wait for the total vacuum. The pressure is now trapped. A strike proves the seal. Step 10. Laser inspection and rejection. Light is the final judge. Lasers scan for missing drops. The eye spots every flaw. The machine strikes the weak. Failure is instantly physically removed. X-rays peel back the dark. Wait for the mechanical purge. Only the perfect survive here. Step 11. Thermal labeling and shrink wrap. Branding is a high-speed skin. Steel blades peel the roll. Hot glue bites the plastic. Pressure welds the red icon. Heat shrinks the skin tight. Wait for the light-speed etch. 6 soldiers form a squad. Plastic armor wraps the pack. Step 12. Robotic palletization. Weight becomes the final challenge. Paper armor snaps into place. Gravity seats the product deep. A giant chooses the path. Wood fights 1,000 pounds. Plastic web binds the mountain. Wait for the final squeeze. The liquid mountain is ready. The journey from raw water and secret concentrate to this iconic Coca Cola bottle is complete. This is how it's factory made. If you enjoyed seeing the violent physics behind Coca Cola, hit that subscribe button and share this with a friend who can't live without a cold soda. Your support helps us step inside the world's most secretive factories to bring you the truth behind the products you love. What product do you want to see us uncover next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you think the speed of this bottling line was impressive, you'll definitely love this next video. If you want me to take you to the massive Kellogg's plant in Jackson, where Pringles are churned out at millions of units daily with robotic perfection, click here and I'll show you how it's factory made.